Hello friends, good evening, happy new month, and welcome to another edition of my automation visualization programming. Today I shall be showing you a little bit something different from what I've been doing before. The software I used for this design is Automation Studio. This is a 3-stage transport system that is hydraulically controlled. Here I have my hopper, and we have the boxes that are being discharged into this hopper and falling through the hopper. Then this is like an apron. Here we have the flat surface that the material falls, the buses falls to, and this is my cylinder, double acting cylinder that pushes the material to this point where the material gets stopped by this mechanical stopper, and this is another double acting cylinder that takes the material from this down to this. Here the movement of the cylinder is controlled by 4x3 way center block solenoid, actuated solenoid retract valves. They are 2 in number, and here is my pressure relief valve gauge and my motor and my pump. Then this is my reservoir. Then this is my design plate, my template. In this work, I sectionalize it into 3 parts, 3 sections. Here is the mechanical design and construction. Here is the electrical aspect of it, which has to do with the control of the pump, the electric pump. So this is a DOL due to the size of the pump we are having. So I choose to use a direct online starter for this, for the motor. So these are my contactors and the features. These are the indicators showing if the pump is on, off, or the pump is faulty. And here comes, this is the electrical aspect of it. Then this is the automation aspect of it, the programming aspect of it. And the program I used here is sequential function chart. It's telling you, just to show you the step-by-step sequence of operation. So I will go straight to simulate it, and you will see the actual performance. So here we have my main. Coming back to my main, so these 2 buttons, these are my push button start and push button stop. So once I click on this push button, as you can see, we have blue lines showing the pressurized line for blue, while pressurized line is red. So by the time I click on this push button, this motor will start, this pump will start, and it will start pumping fluid through from the reservoir down to the various control valves. So I click on my push button, and you see this cylinder goes up, takes and come back. this goes up, comes back. So this one supplies to this. Once it supplies, this will be waiting to get it and transport it. So I assume there is someone here, maybe an operator, that is coming to manually pick off these buses from here. So it's completely automated, and this is the designer, Joshua Udo Ukekoro, and revised by Jokes Control. Here is the signature. So this is a very powerful software that you can use to do your design, mechanical design, electromechanical design, and your programming as well. So you can view the three scenes simultaneously. So you can see how it's working. You can see the sequence of operation. This is showing you the sequence of operation, and also this is the electrical aspect of it. It's very key. So because without this, the pump will not work, and the pump will not be able to pump the hydraulic oil from the reservoir. I choose hydraulic because what I'm dealing with is just the transportation of buses, so there is little or no fear for contamination. So you can come here again and take a look. These are my three indicators. This is telling you that the pump is in operation. So once I come to this place and I want to put the operation to a stop position, I come here and I press my push button. Once I push my push button, stop. So automatically it stops at this fourth sequence, and this light comes up showing that the process has been put to stop. The process has been stopped, and this is just the simple demonstration of how you can control your hydraulic transport system. You can do a mini design of this physically and practicalize it, and you see it's going to work perfectly okay. Thank you for watching.